Hey there, I'm Dan Colkin.
I'm Nathan Goldman.
And we are DKNG Studios.
We've done work with all types of great clients, bands like Dave Matthews, Phish, The National, Jack White. Our work also extends into commercial work like designing packaging for breweries. We've designed postage stamps for USPS and t-shirts for In-N-Out.
We're excited to announce that we're partnering with Dribbble for a full-day workshop.
If you are an independent designer, or if you work as part of a small team, or if you're looking to start your own boutique design or illustration firm, then this workshop is for you. In the morning session, we're going to cover all types of topics, like what we learned from diversifying into different types of income streams, the key decisions we made in our career in order to build our business, some of the technical things along the way, like how we put together estimates and proposals for clients, all the elements that kind of go into the non-art side of the business and running the day-to-day.
And later in the afternoon, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of how our art is made. We're going to jump into Adobe Illustrator, show you actual DKNG projects. We're going to show you tips and tricks and shortcuts within Adobe Illustrator, how to create things digitally and also prepare them for print. All the things that you would be wondering about the ins and outs of how we create stuff, we're going to go behind the curtain and show you a little bit more on that.
We're going to give you lots of key takeaways that you can apply to your own work. So we'll show you the techniques that we find make our workflow the most efficient, allow us to work in different styles, and ways that you can use those techniques right away in your own work in Illustrator and throughout how you run your business. We look forward to seeing you in the workshop on October 25th. You can click the link below to sign up or visit dribbble.com/workshops to learn more, and we hope to see you there.